Okay, I've brought you guys up from that trail junction, from the blue trail, yellow trail. We followed the yellow trail. There's a junction for the white trail right there, or the yellow trail continues onward. We're at these cool old ruins though. Take a note at the fence, but wow, look at those roots. They're really cool, huh? Nice maple. Anyways, this is also a part of the white trail that you're on, but check out these ruins. But you also see the fence. So don't go up there into the ruins because, you know, there's those loose stones that I'm looking at as I'm watching the trail. But yeah, those loose stones. You even see there's a little spot where the fence ends and people have gone around. I mean, I can't tell you what you can and can't do, but the state says that you shouldn't, and you know, why test your reflexes? Some of those stones look like they could fall any moment with the right conditions. So we'll continue down the trail a little bit. There's some more ruins right here. These ones are pretty neat as well, and you can get up a little closer to them. So again though, there's the fence. So but yeah, check these ones out, huh? Pretty amazing to see how nature just takes things back. We only get a glimpse of what our ancestors once knew as their homes, their lifestyles. I've noticed a lot of vines. The Tarzan in me wants to go swinging on them. It's nice to focus in on the birdsong rather than the traffic. Alright, some more ruins. Some more cool roots behind there, huh?